Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to pause chat while you are streaming on the Twitch website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen, then tap on channel, which is the first option. And then you should tap on this customize channel section on the right side. Then you will be directed to creator dashboard where you can find this stream manager section in this left side column. So tap on it. And after that you can find this my chat function on the left side. Tap on settings below. And here you can find the post chat options, so tap on it. And here you can manage your post chat options. As you can see, chat will always pause when scrolling the chat pane, so you can select scroll only, mouse over, hold option key, or mouse over option key option. So all you have to do is tapping on the relevant one and then it will be updated automatically. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.